Welcome to House How, your go-to place for all things home maintenance. Today we dive into the world of window maintenance. Windows come in various styles, each with unique maintenance needs. You may have single-hung, double-hung casement, or sliding windows. Each type requires a particular approach to upkeep. Regular maintenance not only extends your window's life, but also improves your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Knowing your window type and its specific needs is the first step to effective window maintenance. Now that you're familiar with your windows, it's time to give them a thorough checkup. You'll want to conduct a meticulous inspection, keeping a keen eye out for signs of wear and tear that could compromise your home's energy efficiency or safety. Look for cracks in the glass, leaks around the frame, or drafts indicating a loss of insulation. Don't forget to focus on the finer details too. Check out the window seals and weather stripping. These often overlooked components play a crucial role in maintaining your home's temperature and keeping those energy bills in check. If they are damaged or worn out, you might be losing precious heat in the winter or cool air in the summer. Remember, windows are more than just a view to the outside world. They are integral to the health and efficiency of your home. Regular inspections can help detect issues early, preventing costly repairs down the line. A clean window is a happy window. Let's talk about how to keep them gleaming and working smoothly. Start by gently wiping the panes, frames, and tracks with a damp cloth to remove any loose dirt or dust. For a deeper clean, a mixture of vinegar and water is an eco-friendly solution that works wonders. Just remember to dry everything thoroughly afterwards to prevent any mildew or mold. Now, let's move to lubrication. The moving parts of your window, think hinges and locks, need a bit of attention too. A simple silicone-based lubricant can do the job. Just apply a small amount to the moving parts, then open and close the window a few times to distribute it evenly. This will ensure smooth operation and prevent any annoying squeaks or stiffness. Remember, clean and well-lubricated windows not only look good, but also function better. Keep up with this simple maintenance and your windows will thank you. Sealing and weatherproofing are key to keeping your home cozy and energy efficient. Let's dive into how you can do this yourself. First up, let's talk about weather stripping. This is great for sealing movable parts of your windows. There are various types including adhesive-backed foam tape and V-strip. Your choice depends on the type of window and the local climate. For colder areas, V-strip is often a good choice. Remember, your goal is to prevent air leaks and improve insulation. Proper sealing and weatherproofing can significantly reduce energy bills and increase comfort. Caulking is a crucial part of sealing your windows. Let's take a closer look. Choosing the right caulk for your window type and climate is the first step. For most windows, a silicone-based caulk works best due to its durability and flexibility. However, if you live in an area with extreme temperatures, you might want to consider a butyl rubber caulk, which is known for its excellent weather resistance. Now let's talk about application. Start at one end of the gap and move steadily to the other end. Ensure you're holding the caulk gun at a 45-degree angle for a consistent bead. If you're new to this, practice on a piece of cardboard first to get the hang of it. Once applied, smooth out the caulk with a smoothing tool. This not only gives a neat finish but also ensures the caulk fills the gap properly for maximum sealing. And remember, always let the caulk dry completely before painting or cleaning the window. With these tips you can ensure a perfect seal every time. Up next we'll look at how to tackle common window issues, so stay tuned. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, windows can develop issues, but don't worry, most problems are fixable. Let's dive into some of the common window woes and how to solve them. A broken window pane is not just an eyesore, but it can also be a safety hazard. To replace it, first remove the broken glass carefully, then clean the frame before installing a new pane. Always remember to use safety gloves and goggles during this process. Now, if you have a stuck window, the culprit could be a painted shut window or a damaged sash cord. For a painted shut window, use a utility knife to cut along the edges of the sash. If it's the sash cord, you'll need to remove the window sash and replace the cord. Remember, safety first. Always be cautious when handling window components. With these tips, you can tackle most common window issues confidently and safely. Lastly, let's talk about upgrading your windows for better energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows offer a multitude of benefits, including potential savings on your energy bills and increased home comfort. They are designed to prevent your heated or cooled air from escaping, helping to maintain a consistent temperature within your home. When it comes to selecting and installing these windows, consider factors like your local climate, your home's design, and your budget. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an investment that pays off in the long run. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the tools you'll need for window maintenance. Having the right tools for the job is essential. Not only will they make the process smoother and more efficient, but they'll also ensure that you complete the task safely and effectively. Here are some essential tools you'll need: a screwdriver, a putty knife, a caulk gun, a paint scraper, safety glasses, and gloves. The screwdriver and putty knife are your go-to tools for removing old caulk and paint. The caulk gun is obviously a must-have for recaulking your windows. It allows you to apply the caulk evenly and precisely. The paint scraper is essential for removing any old chipping paint from your windows before you apply a new coat. And let's not forget about safety. Always wear your safety glasses and gloves. These will protect your eyes and hands from any potential harm. With these tools in your arsenal, you're ready to tackle any window maintenance task. Equip yourself with the right tools and you're halfway there. And that's a wrap on window wizardry. We've journeyed through understanding your windows, inspecting them for common issues, cleaning and lubricating, sealing and weatherproofing, detailed caulking, repairing common issues, upgrading them for better energy efficiency, and finally suggested tools you may need to get the job done right. Now it's your turn to apply these steps to your home window maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained home is a happy home. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to House How for more home maintenance tips and tricks. Until next time, happy homemaking.